Is it better to create small mini courses or one massive big course? This comes down to the customer journey that you're creating for your business and all the different types of products and services that you're selling, as well as the audience you're selling to and the way that you prefer to work with your audience. There are a number of different types of courses that you can create. You can have mini courses or one-off workshops where you deliver, for instance, a 90-minute Zoom session or a Zoom workshop, all the way through to having self-study 4-week programs or 4-week plus long coaching programs that include you doing live training in them as well. You can create memberships where people pay you a monthly fee to access whatever you've put in your membership. You can even do retreats, boot camps, done for you services, and a whole lot more. Do go and check out some of my other videos on all of those different kinds of courses. But when it comes to understanding people, today, people want their questions answered. All a fantastic course, coaching program, or membership is people having their questions answered, having their problems solved. That's all it is. And you also need to remember that in today's world, people are super busy. So answering people's questions as quickly as possible, giving them that answer as fast as possible, will make you have higher reviews and more satisfied customers. Everyone would rather have the 60-minute answer to a question over a 6-week answer to the same question, right? I'm sure you would as well. Just tell me what I need to know. So there's a number of different ways to look at these mini courses versus big courses. Now, neither of them are wrong. Neither of them are anything in between. It really is unique on your model. However, I do find that today, in today's world of the way that people are consuming content at the moment, that creating lots of smaller courses where each one focuses very specifically on one particular question do have more repeat buying and longer term customer value in a business than if you just have one big program. Number of reasons why. Normally when people go to the internet and they are looking for the answer for something, it's a very specific question they have. They are typing in a very particular question. If you have a mini workshop, a mini course, a recording of a training, that is literally that question, your stuff is much more likely to come up in search results. And if presented to that searcher, that lead, they are going to see that it is so precisely what they're looking for that the conversion and the opt-in rate is much higher. The fact that it's a smaller program also means that it can be a lower price, making it more accessible to more people. So I have moved my model from 1 or 2 big courses about 8 years ago into having all of these mini courses so that I can really pinpoint and direct people to very specific answers and solutions to the questions that they've got, making that opt-in higher. But overall, then having these mini trainings allows you to create other products from it. As an example, if you've got lots of these 60 to 90-minute workshop recordings, you can put them all into one membership. You can literally put them all into one bundle, one bucket, and charge a monthly fee for people to have access to all of that training in the form of a membership subscription. Also, you can then do a pick and mix by selecting out some of those pieces of training to create little bundles or bigger courses in their own right. By allowing people the option to choose either individual elements or have access to everything, or have access to sections as bundles, not only gives more opportunities for you to sell and make money, it also gives your buyers more customized solutions to the problems that they have. So if you've got any more questions about creating an online course, do drop them below and let me know. Otherwise, come and join my Legends Lab or my Concept to Course program where I help you create your courses all the way from idea, creating the content, filming the videos, editing them, doing all of the tech, and most importantly, how to do all of that ongoing marketing to stand out in your field as an expert and make sure you have leads pouring in for life. See you there.